Albert Einstein, a great scientist, what has ever known. He will be remembered forever for his contributions to the world. Once he said, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Friends, fix a goal, work on it so that you will enjoy every moment. Every moment will be lively and you feel happy every moment. I'm Biswajit, I'm a math educator. Today we learn more statistics class 10. Before we study this one, my request to all, please watch this video till the end, and if you like this, then you can subscribe my channel, like and share. Friends, what a mode is? A mode is the highest number of observations. If in a frequency distribution, the observation which is repeated more number of times, that observation is mode. Let us take an example. Do you know Sachin Tendulkar? Sachin Tendulkar, in 1 hour, he played brilliantly. In 1 hour, he played with 6-6 and 2-1-3. 6 balls, 6 sixes and 2-1-3. So here, what will be the mode? The observations are given below. The observations are given. Here you see 6 is repeated more number of times. So here 6 is mode. Similarly, suppose Virat Kohli. You see Virat Kohli. In 1 over, he played brilliantly with 2 4s, 2 6 and 2-1. 2-1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls he played with 2 4s, 2 6s. Then here mode. You see here 4 is repeated twice and 6 also repeated twice, and they occur maximum number of times. So mode is both 6 and 4. Both 6 and 4 is mode. Clear? So it is the individual series. But in discrete series, how you find mode? In discrete series means here x given, f given. X suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F suppose 5, 7, 11, 10, 9, 2. Then how to find the mode? Here, the answer is highest frequency. We have to check the highest frequency. You see here, the highest frequency is 11. Highest frequency 11. The observations corresponding to this one is 3. So here, mode is 3. So answer is 3. Mode is 3 here. This is individual series. This is discrete frequency distribution. Then continuous or group continuous distribution. Grouped continuous distribution. That means here class interval given, then frequency given. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like this. And frequency given 2, 3, 5, 7 here. This type of questions, how will do? To find mode in this type of question, there is a formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. We apply this formula and find mode. So now we discuss this concept with some questions. Question number 1, find the mode of the following data. Data given 25, 16, 19, 48, 19, 20, 34, 15, 19, 20, 21, 24, 19, 16, then 18, 20, 16, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 25, 16, 19, 48, 19, 34, 15, 19, 20, 21, 24, 19, 16, 22, 16, 22, 16, then 18, 20, 16, 19. Okay. Here, how to find the mode? First, we see here. The smallest one is, you see, smallest one is 15. Here you can write x and here you can write f. Smallest one is 15. Then 16. 17, 17, 17 out here. Then 18. Then 19. Then 20. Then 21. 22. 23 is not here. 24, 25, then 34 and see 48. You see here. 15. 15 is once, it's not repeated. 16. 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. 18, 18, 1, once. 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times. 20, 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Then 21, 21 once, 1, 22, once, 1 here, then 24, 1, 1, 25, 1, then 34, 1, 48, 1 here. You see, 15 already written. So now you see here frequency. Mode is highest frequency, with highest frequency. Highest number of times, you see, here 5 is the highest frequency and the observation is 19. So here mode will be 90. Clear? It's very easy. First write in ascending order and write the frequency, how many times number is repeated, then highest number of frequency is mode. Okay? Then question number 2. Find the value of x if the mode of the following data is 25. Mode given, here mode given 25. We have to find the value of x. Observation given 15, 20, 25, 18, 14, 15, 25, 15, 18, then 16, 20, 25, 20, x and 80. You have to find the value of x. Clear? Value of x. You see here, and mode given 25. Mode given 25. Nice to see, the smallest one is 40. It is F. Then 15. Then 16. 18. Then 20. 25. Okay. So 14. 1. 15, 1, 2, 16, sorry, 15, 1, 2, 3. 15, 1, 2, 3. 16, 1. 18, 1, 2, 3. Then 20, 1, 2, 3. 25, 1, 2, 3. 25, 1, 2, 3. Now you see, we have to find the value of x. Here, in this frequency distribution, we find that 3 is, observation is 15, frequency 3, observation 18, frequency is also 3, 20, frequency 3, 25, here frequency 3. But mode given 25, mode given 25. So what is the value of x? We know that mode 3 means, mode 25 means the frequency will be highest, clear? But here frequency is 3, 3, 3, 3, 7. So automatically find that if mode given 25, then this will be more than 3. Clear? More than 3 means it will be 4 because x is here. So value of x will be what? 25. Understood? Here you see frequency 3, 3, 3, 3. Same, highest frequency 3. But mode given 25. That means the frequency of 25 will be the highest. But here we find, when we count this one, here we find 25 is written 3 times. But x is here, variable given. So 3 will be 4. So value of x will be 25. So 25 mode given, the value of x will be 25. Clear? Next, question number 3. Find the mode of the following group frequency distribution. Class given, then frequency given. Class given, frequency given. Class given 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15, 15 to 18, 18 to 21, 21 to 24. Frequency given 2, 5, 10, 23, 21, 12 and 3. Okay. Class given, frequency given. Find mode. So in class interval, there is a formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here you see L. L means the lower limit of the highest frequency. Lower limit of the highest frequency class. You see highest frequency 23. Here corresponding observations 12 to 15. The lower limit is 12. So L will be 12 here. Clear? Next. F1. F1 is this one. Highest frequency, this is F1. What is F0? The preceding one. This is F0. Right? This is F0. What is F2? Next one. Then H. H means this one. Width of this class. 15, H equal to 15 minus 12. That equal to 3. Clear? 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. 3 is H. Now, put its value in this formula and we find the mode. L is L12 plus F1 is 23 minus F0 10, then 2f1, 2 into 23, 46, minus f0, 10, minus f2, 21 into h. H is 3. It will be 12 plus this 13 divided by 46 minus 31, 15 into 3. So it will be 3 5 ja. So 12 plus 13 by 5, that equal to 12 plus, that is 5 2 ja 10.6. 5 6 is 30. So it will be 14.6. So 14.6 is the mode. Clear? Write it down. Then question number 4. Calculate the value of mode for the following frequency distribution. Class given and frequency. Class given 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 12, 13 to 16, 17 to 20, 21 to 24, 25 to 28, 29 to 32, and 33 to 36, 37 to 40. Frequency given 2, 5, 8, 9, 2, 5, 8, 9, 12, 14, 14, 15, 12, 14, 14, 15, 11, 30. Okay, question given. See. Class given, frequency given, we have to find more. But here you see, the class is not continuous. You see, 1 to 4, but it is 5 to 8. First to make it continuous. How? You see, upper limit of first class is 4 and lower limit of second is 5. So difference is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And what to do? To make it continuous, first we divide this 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Clear? First step. First find the difference between upper limit and here upper limit of first class and the lower limit of the second class and divide this by 2. So it will be 0.5. Now what to do? Subtract 0.5 the lower limit, add 0.5 with upper limit. Subtract here, add here, subtract here, add here. Then it will become continuous. How? You see, if you subtract 0.5, it will become 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. It will be R 4.5. Then it will be 4.5, 8.5. Then you see subtract 8.5, 12.5. Then 12.5, 16.5, 16.5, 20.5, 20.5, 24.5, right? 24.5, 28.5, 28.5, 32.5, then last one 36.5 to 40.5. Please has to make it continuous. Clear? Then, so formula is what? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Clear? So, what is the value of L here? Now check the frequency table. Highest frequency 15 here. Highest frequency. Corresponding class. So lower limit is 28, so L is 28.5, so L equal to 28.5. Clear? Now then H is this minus this, 28.5 minus 32.5 minus 28.5 is 4. H is 4. Clear? Is 4. Then F1, this is F1, preceding one is F0, then next is F2. So F0 is equal to 14 f1 is equal to 15, f2 equal to 11. Now put this in formula. See, mode equal to L. L is 28.5 plus f1 minus f0, 15 minus 14 divided 2 f1, 2 into 15, 30, minus f0, 14, minus f2, 11, into h is 4. So 28.5 plus 1 upon 30 minus 14 minus 11, 25 is 5 into 4. Now you see 28.5 plus 4 by 5, that equal to 28.5 plus 0.8 into 29.3. Clear? 0.8, 29.3 is the mode. Okay? Write it down. Then, determine the modal lifetimes of the components for the following data. Lifetimes in hours given. Lifetimes in hours. It is x. You can take it as x. And number of components. Number of components. It is frequency f. Okay, given 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 50, 40 to 60, then 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and 100 to 120. Here, a number of components given 10, 50, 35, then 52, 61, 38 and 29 is given. Yeah. We have to find mode. It's very easy. Put the formula. Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Now, highest frequency 61. Corresponding class 60 to 80. L equal to 60 lower limit. Then f1, this is f1. Then it is f0. This one is f2. f1, f0 equal to 52. f1 equal to 61. f2 equal to 38. Now h, width 80 minus 60. 80 minus 60, 20. 20. Now put the values in formula. So L 60 plus f1 minus f0, 61 minus 52 by 2f1, 2 into 61, 2 into 61, 122, 2f1 minus f0, 52 minus 38 into h is 20. So it is 60 plus, this is 9, then 70 minus 38, 32 into 20 minus 32, 20. Okay, now 60 plus 9 by 32, it is 4, 5 0, 4 8. It is 45 upon 8. That equal to 60 plus 8, 5 0, 40.0, 8 6 28, 2. So here 40, 5 0 into 2. So it is 65.62. So mode is here 65.62. Write it down. These are 5 questions on, we have discussed 5 questions on mode. In my next video, we will discuss some important questions based on mean, median, mode, and also empirical formulas related to mean, median, mode. So keep on watching. Thank you very much for your patience. God bless you. Keep smiling.